Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to use Networkdays function and Networkdays international function in Excel. So basically Networkdays function is used in Excel to derive the number of working days between two dates excluding weekend and holidays. So let's try equal to network days. So it's asking for start date, which is here, this one, and end date is here, and list of holidays. So this is here. So holiday list is optional. If we don't have any holiday in any particular month, then we can ignore it. Let me drag the formula and also show you the formula text. So it's showing 19 days in April month. Let's check it. This will exclude the holiday, two holidays, 15 and 18, and the Saturday Sunday weekly off. So the working day will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, which is correct. So you can check other months also. These are correct working days between these two dates. So guys, if we want to take more than one holiday weekend, or we have part timer in our team, so how can we calculate the number of working days between two dates? So in this scenario, we will use network days international function. Here I have put this. So suppose if in my team I have the weekly off on Monday and Tuesday, so my agents are working from Wednesday till Sunday. So how can we derive the number of working days using network days international? So this is my start date, this is end date, comma, weekend. So here is the list of weekend. We can specify, we can give them two weekends or single weekend as required. So let's give them Monday and Tuesday as weekend. This is third number, and list of holiday is same. Let me freeze this. So it shows 21 days in April month. Let us check this. So Monday, Tuesday we have weekend. So working day will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's showing 21. So this was Network Days International, where we have the freedom to choose the different weekends for our agent. And now let's try the working days for the part timer. Suppose I have some part timer and they are working only 2 or 3 days in a week. So part timer, okay, suppose they are working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, only 3 days. Less Thursday to Sunday they have weekly off. Weekly off on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So in this scenario, how can we calculate the number of working days for part timers? Let's see. Network days international, my start date, comma, my end date, comma, weekend. So here we do not have any option to provide them for weekly off. We have the option only for 2 and 1. In this scenario, we will use double quote. So here I will use 1 and 0. 1 means they are given weekly off, and 0 means they are working. and my week start from Monday by default in this formula. So Monday they are working, so Monday will be 0, no holiday. Tuesday no holiday, sorry, no weekend, and Wednesday they are working. And from Thursday they have weekly off. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday they have weekly off. Close the quote, comma, my holiday list. Let me freeze this. So April month, this is showing 11 days for the part-timer who is working only 3 days. That is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Let us check it. So Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is holiday 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So their working days is 11, and same is for other months. You can check it. So guys, this was all about the network days and network days international function. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, please do comment it. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching.